If you are in a relationship where your partner is very controlling, if they have controlling issues and they want to control everything of your life, and you feel really suffocated, you feel sabotaged by this action of your partner, then this video will help you. So watch out till the end. Hi, beautiful souls. I am Bitika. Welcome to my channel, Divine Healing. If you're a subscriber watching this video, welcome back. If you're new, thank you so much. With lots of love and good vibe, welcome to this channel. So, today we will talk about if you have a partner who have controlling issues. So, I face a lot of people in my counseling session where they are really frustrated about how their partners try to always control them, their every movement, the way they talk, what they wear, what they do, who they will mix with. That is one of the biggest issues, that you have to mix with those people I like, you cannot mix with those people who I don't like. I see a lot of male clients coming up to me telling me that their partner don't want them to hang out with their own friends, even male friends. So there's this controlling issue about your partner, and at some point you feel extremely sabotaged, like they're suffocating you, they don't want you to be yourself. Now, there's a lot of aspect to it, but what I'm going to talk about today is something that will help you to rebuild your relationship. And to rebuild your relationship, the first thing first is you have to understand your partner. If someone is behaving not out of love, for example, if they have controlling issues and they are sabotaging you, they are controlling you, they are putting a pressure on you, they're not behaving out of love. If you really want this relationship, if you really want this relationship to work for long, understand why your partner is going through this controlling issues. This happens most of the time when they have controlling issues in the childhood days or growing up phase, where they're always controlled by the society, the family. All of their life decisions are controlled by their parents or some other guardian. They never understood that giving freedom is also a part, because they are not given freedom at any point. The second thing that can happen is that they have extreme insecurity about losing people. They might have abandonment issues, where they have faced abandonment from the loved ones in their growing phase, maybe family members, parents, siblings, or anybody during the adolescence period. If they have abandonment issue, they will always have this constant urge to control things, because they feel like otherwise this person will go out of my hand. And out of this insecurity, they will always have this controlling issue that you should mix with that person, or you should not go there, or you should not wear this and that. So they want everything in their own hand now. See, it's easy to give up on a relationship or a situation, but if you really want them, if you really want that to proceed in life, you have to make it very clear that I want to take the responsibility of mending this situation, not breaking apart. And to mend, you have to understand the mindset of your partner, why they are doing it. Deep dive into their childhood days, into their family setups. Understand what it is that is deep rooted in your partner's mind. If needed, take a help of a professional who can guide them, a counselor, a therapist, a healer, who can guide them and you also. Because when your partner is not behaving with a state of love, you are also not behaving with a state of love. Because when we are together, it's like a mutual energy, and the other will mirror the another one. So if you take the responsibility of behaving in the loved way, you might see that person also mirroring you. And how you can? By understanding their situations. It's okay to feel frustrated at some point, because when somebody is sabotaging us, controlling, you can't do this, or you can't say this, or you can't wear this, or you can eat this, at some point, yes, it is, at some point you will feel very suffocated. But this is what, in relationship, you have to keep on working on what's not working in the relationship. You have to understand the root from where things are generating. You can't be in this ego mode that she or he doesn't understand me, why will I take so much charge? Then why are you in a relationship? Just to have fun, just to be in a physical intimacy, just to show off to the world that how happy you are, or just to fight. No, it's more. Relationships are deeper. If you really want that person to be in your life, it's not always that you will be served with sweets and flowers in a palette. When you receive somebody, they come with their traumas, they come with their shortcomings, they come with their failures, they come with their traumas of past, the setbacks of their past. You have to accept that person as they are coming, and maybe it is your soul's responsibility. You never know that helping this person can help. Some doors can open in your life also. So take it as a challenge and take it as a on the humanitarian ground. Start understanding them, that what they have faced in their life, in the early stages of their life, that has built their mindset in this way, that they have this controlling issue of everything. Is it insecurity? Is it abandonment? Is it controlling, like they have been controlled all life, now they want the power in their hand? What it is that is eating up their mind. And you can do this by talking with your partner. You have conversation, ask about the childhood days, how parents were treating her, how school days, counter questions them, like make some situations where there is controlling issue or insecurities, and ask them how he or she was treated. So when you are somebody's partner, you are a full-time everything: counselor, therapist, friend, best friend. And if you're not taking that initiation, then there's a high probability that you only want the butterflies and the flowers in the relationship, and not the real things, because when you will help them to grow, you will also grow. When we help somebody in their difficulties, we don't know what we are healing in us, we don't know what we are changing in us. And in this way, the relationship will also get strong, because now when she will control, she will realize that this person understands me. At some point, this will stop. And when you will understand what she has gone through and for which this controlling issue is, your way of handling her will be much different now. You will be more kind and compassionate. And when you will be more kind and compassionate, she or he will stop this controlling, or they will at least, the intensity will become less than what it was before. So that was my message. If you have controlling issues, like your partner is controlling you, follow this video and leave a comment below if you're going through any such situation. I would love to help individuals. Leave a comment on that, and like this video, share this video with somebody you think need to watch this, and subscribe if you haven't yet. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.